Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to learn about a division algorithm for polynomials. So how can we divide the polynomials? Today we are going to learn very important, and if you understand the steps, it is very easy to divide the polynomials. See here, generally we have the division rule. So we have, this is the division rule, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. A problem from polynomials exercise 3.4, first problem. So it is based on division algorithm of polynomials. So see here what he is asking to find us. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So here there are three bits in the first problem. This is the first bit. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, comma g of x is equal to x square minus 2. So he is asking to divide p of x by g of x. After dividing, we can get quotient and remainder. Then we have to write quotient and remainder. So very important problem, student. You have to follow the steps involved in the division. You can easily do as your own. So you see here how can we divide. So before going to divide the polynomials, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in its standard form or not. If they are not in its standard form, first we have to write them in the standard form. So what is the standard form? The degree of the terms in the polynomials must be in the decreasing order. So the powers of the variables must be in the decreasing order. So here it is 3, power of the variable is 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, p of x is in its standard form. So next, g of x is equal to x square minus 2, 2, 0. There is no x term, but it is in decreasing order, 2, 0. So now p of x, the polynomials p of x and g of x are in its standard form. So we can write p of x and g of x are in standard form. So now we have to divide p of x by g of x. So polynomials p of x and g of x are in standard form. This is the very first step in the division of polynomials. Very important. We have to check whether they are in standard form or not. If they are not in standard form, first we have to write them in standard form, then after we have to divide. So now we have to divide p of x by g of x. So here p of x is what? X cube minus 3x square. I am writing p of x as a dividend. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So this is a dividend. We have to divide by the g of x. This is a divisor, x square minus 2. So now see here how can we divide. So in the dividend or in the p of x, totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So this is the highest degree term or the first term. So here in the divisor there are only two terms, x square and minus 2. So here x square is the highest degree term or the first term of the divisor. So now first step what we have to do, see here, divide the first term or the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. So here the highest degree term is x cube divided by the highest degree term in the divisor is x square. So this is very first step. So we have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So x cube divided by x square, we can get x. So we can cancel x square and x square, we get x. So now write this x in the quotient. So you have to follow the steps, student. You can do very easily. So first divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. We get x. Write this x in the quotient area. Now in the second step, multiply x with the divisor. Multiply x with the divisor, that is x into x square minus 2. What we get, I am writing. See here, x into x square is x cube. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. So very important. Now we have to write this result before dividend. So here what is there? X cube minus 2x. So first write x cube. But here x square term is there, but there is no x square term. You have to concentrate here. This minus 2x write below the x term. It is very important, student. So every student is make mistake here. So you have to write this minus 2x below the x term. If you write here minus 2x, you can get confused. So this is very important. So here x cube minus 2x is there. Write x cube term below the x cube term. Write x term below the x term. So now subtract. So here upon subtracting, this plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 2x becomes plus 2x. So x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. So here minus 3x square, right, as usual, minus 3x square. So plus 5x plus 2x we get 7x plus 7x. So minus 3x square, 5x plus 2x is 7x. Take this minus 3 here. We get minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. So next in the third step, so minus 3x square is the highest degree term of the dividend. This becomes dividend now. So minus 3x square, we have to divide minus 3x square with x square again. So now we have to divide. See here what we get. Minus 3x square divided by x square. So here x square gets cancelled. We can get minus 3. So write this minus 3 in the quotient place. So here we have to write minus 3. After writing minus 3 in the quotient place, multiply minus 3 with x divisor, x square minus 2. So see here, multiply minus 3 into x square, we get minus 3x square, minus into minus plus 6. Minus 3x square plus 6. So now have to write here below the dividend. So here x square term minus 3x square, here also x square term is minus 3x square. So here write minus 3x square. So here 7x is there, but there is no x term here. Leave the space for x term. There is no, but here constant is plus 6. You have to write the constant term below the constant term only. Here the constant term is minus 3. Write this constant term below the constant term. Now I am writing here plus 6. Leave the space for x term. There is no x term here. That is very important, student. If you write here below the x term 6 constant term, you get confused. So very important. You must have careful here. So see here, now have to subtract. So here this minus becomes plus, here plus becomes minus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square gets cancelled. Write this 7x as usual. So here minus 3 minus 6 becomes minus 9. So now you observe that this is the remainder. 7x minus 9 is the remainder. So here the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the divisor is 2. Here the degree of the remainder is 1. So we can stop the division until the remainder is equal to 0 or the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here remainder is not equal to 0, but the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the remainder is 1. Degree of the divisor is 2. So this is the remainder. We can stop here. So 7x minus 9, this is the remainder. X minus 3 is the quotient. He is asking to write quotient and remainder. Therefore I am writing quotient is equal to quotient quotient is equal to x minus 3. This is the quotient, and also is asking to write the remainder. Remainder is equal to remainder is equal to 7x minus 9 is the remainder. 7x minus 9 is the remainder. So very important student, just you have to follow the steps involved in the division of polynomials. So like this we can divide the polynomials. So very important. We have divided p of x by g of x. So here quotient is x minus 3, remainder is 7x minus 9. This is the first bit in the first problem. So next we have to solve second bit. This is the second bit in the first problem. He has given p of x and g of x. He is asking to divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and write the quotient and remainder. So here, see here, this is second bit. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x equal to x square plus 1 minus x. So he has given p of x and g of x. Now we have to divide p of x by g of x. So before starting to do the division of the polynomials, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So it is very important. This is the basic step or the first step of the division of polynomials. So now we have to check whether the p of x is in its standard form or not. X to the power 4 minus x square plus 4x plus 5. So here the powers of the variable should be in the decreasing order. That is the standard form. So here x to the power 4, x square, x and 5. So the degrees of the terms should be in the decreasing order. Here 4, 2, 1, 0. There is no x cube term here. Yes, p of x is in its standard form. So in the same way, how to check whether g of x is also in its standard form or not. G of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. So here the degree of first term is 2, 0, 1 is there. Here g of x is not there in its standard form. First you have to write in its standard form. So here g of x is equal to, how can we write it? Can be written as, see here I am writing it in its standard form. So it can be written as x square minus x plus 1. So now it is in its standard form. So the degree of the terms should be in decreasing order. Here it is 2, 1, 0. So now g of x is also in its standard form. So this is the standard form of g of x. So now we have to divide p of x by g of x. So see here I am writing p of x as dividend. So now x to, here there is no x cube term. I am writing 0 into x cube. 0 into x cube. So minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this is p of x. See here how I have written p of x. P of x equal to x to the power 4. There is no x cube term in p of x, but I have written as 0 into x cube. 0 into x cube, again we can get 0. X to the power 4 plus 0 is x to the power 4. So here you have to remember, you have to write 0 into x cube. Then we can get very easily, we can complete the division very easily if we write 0 into x cube. So next write g of x. This is the standard form of g of x. We have to write x square minus x plus 1 as the divisor. So I am writing x square minus x plus 1. So this is a divisor. So now we have to start division. So the highest degree term in the p of x is x to the power 4. The highest degree term in the g of x is x square. Now I have to divide x to the power 4 by x square. This is the first step. See here x to the power 4 divided by x square. We can get x square here. So write this x square in the quotient place. So this is the first step. So in the next second step we have to multiply the divisor by x square. That is x square into, here divisor is what? X square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. So multiply. X square into x square, we can get x to the power 4. x square into minus x, we can get a minus x cube. X square into plus 1, we can get a plus x square. So now we have to write this result below the dividend terms. So here x to the power 4, write the x to the power 4 term below the x to the power 4 term. So here write x to the power 4. So next here minus x cube is there. So write here minus x cube. So next plus x square is there. Write here plus x square below the x square term. So now subtract. So it becomes minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. So x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 gets cancelled. It is 0x cube plus x cube. We can get x cube. So minus 3x square minus x square, we get minus 4x square. So next take x term here, write plus 4x here. So now it is the dividend. So again we have to, next step we have to divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor, that is x cube divided by x square. X cube divided by x square. Simply we say the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. So x cube divided by x square, we get x. So write this x in the area of quotient plus x. So in the fourth step, divide, multiply the divisor with x, x into x square minus x plus 1. So multiply here, x into x square, we get x cube, x into minus x square, x into plus 1 plus x. So now write here below the terms of the dividend, write x cube below the x cube term, and minus x square is there, write minus x square. So next plus x is there, write plus x. So now subtract. So upon subtract, and it becomes minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. So these two gets cancelled, x cube minus x cube, it is minus 4x square plus x square, we get minus 3x square. Here plus 4x minus x, we get plus 3x. So take plus 5 here. So again in the next step we have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor, that is minus 3x square. Right, minus 3x square divided by what is there here, x square. So x square gets cancelled, we get minus 3. Write this minus 3 in the area of the quotient, minus 3. So in the next step, multiply minus 3 with a divisor, that is we get minus 3 into x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. So multiply minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x. So minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. So now write below the terms of the dividend. So first minus 3x square, right here minus 3x square. So next plus 3x is there, right plus 3x. So next minus 3 is there, right minus 3. So now subtract. This minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here minus 3x square plus 3x square gets cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled, 5 plus 3 is 8. So now 8 is the remainder. So here we can stop, the division is completed. Therefore x square plus x minus 3 is the quotient, remainder is 8. So therefore we can write quotient is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is equal to 8. So quotient is equal to x square plus x minus remainder is equal to 8. So this is the second bit in the first problem. Simply you have to follow the steps, you can do very easily. So here you must have careful with the signs, plus and minus, you can get very easily, you can do very easily. So this is the second bit in the first problem. Next we have to solve the third bit. This is the third bit in the first problem. It has given p of x and g of x. He is asking to divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x. Then he is asking to write as the quotient and the remainder. So here p of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. G of x is equal to 2 minus x square. So before going to do the division of the polynomials, we must check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. If they are not in their standard form, first we have to write them in the standard form. So here p of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. So standard form is nothing but the degree of the terms must be in the decreasing order. So here the degree of the first term is 4, the degree of the second term is 1, and the degree of the third term is 0. 4 comma 1 comma 0. Yes, it is in its standard form. So here 2 minus x square, the degree of the constant is 0. Here the degree of x square is 2, but here it is not in its standard form. So first we have to write them in the standard form, writing p of x and g of x in their standard form. So here p of x is equal to, so here write x to the power 4. There is no x cube term and x square term. For that we have to write 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square. There are no x cube and x square terms in the p of x, but I am writing as 0 into x cube and 0 into x square. In order to complete the division very easily, we have to write like this. That you have to remember. So next to minus 5x plus 6. This is p of x. So and g of x is equal to minus x square plus 2 minus x square plus 2. So this is g of x. So it is p of x and it is g of x. In g of x also there is no x term, but we need not to write 0 into x here. But in the p of x we must write, if any term is missed, we must write 0 into, suppose if x cube term is not there, we have to write 0 into x cube. Here also 0 into x square. But in g of x simply have to write the terms in standard form, but we need not to write 0 into x here. That you have to remember. So now we have to divide p of x by g of x. So first I am writing p of x. So what is there? X to the power 4 plus 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is write as p of x as a dividend. So next write g of x as a divisor. So here minus x square plus 2. So I am writing minus x square plus 2. So now we have to follow the step. Divide the first highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. That is, divide the first term with the first term of the divisor. So here we get x to the power 4 divided by minus x square. X to the power 4 divided by minus x square, we can get minus x square here. So write this minus x to the power 4 by x square, we can get x square. Write this minus x square in the area of quotient. So next in the second step, multiply the divisor with minus x square, that is minus x square into, so minus x square plus 2, minus x square plus 2. So here minus x square into minus x square, we can get x to the power 4, minus x square into plus 2, we get minus 2x square. Now write these two terms below the terms of the dividend. So here x to the power 4, we have to write x to the power 4 below the term of x to the power 4. So there is no x cube term here. So leave this space as blank. Here minus 2x square is there. Write here minus 2x square. So now subtract. So it becomes minus, it becomes plus. X to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 gets cancelled. Here 0 into x cube, we need not to write here. So here 0x square plus 2x square, it becomes 2x square. So next write minus 5x. So write the next term minus 5x. So now divide the first term with the first term of the divisor. So here the first term is 2x square. In the next step, 2x square divided by, what is there here? Minus x square. Right, minus x square. So x square gets cancelled, we can get minus 2. Write this minus 2 in the place of quotient. So in the next step, multiply the divisor with minus 2, that is minus 2 into minus x square plus 2, minus x square plus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square, we can get plus 2x square. So minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. So right here, what is there? So write at a time constant term also plus 6. So write the x square term below the x square term. There is no x term here, but here there is constant. Write the constant below the constant term. So now subtract. So it plus becomes minus. So here there is no here x term. Here minus becomes a plus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square gets cancelled. Minus 5x, write as usual. Here plus 6 plus 4 is plus 10. So here now minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. So now the division is completed. Since the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the remainder is 1. The degree of the divisor is 2. So the division is completed. Here minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. X minus x square minus 2 is the quotient. So he is asking to write the remainder and the quotient. Therefore we can write quotient is equal to, therefore quotient is equal to minus x square minus 2. So this is the quotient. Quotient is equal to minus x square minus 2. Remainder is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Remainder is equal to minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. So like this we can divide the given polynomials. Simply you have to follow the steps, student. If you follow the step, you can do very easily. So you must have careful about the signs, then only you can do correctly. Okay, so this is the third bit in the first problem. So all the 3 bits we have completed. So next we have to solve the second problem. So that's all today's class. So we'll meet in the next class. Thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from Polynomials exercise 3.4, second problem. Already we have completed first one. It is a division of polynomials. So see here what he has given in the second problem and what he is asking to find us. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here he has given 2 polynomials. First, this is second. Check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial with the first polynomial. So when we say factor, if we get the remainder 0, we can say the divisor is the factor. So here this is the divisor, it is the dividend. So if we get the remainder 0, then t square minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. We can decide. So now we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So see here, already we have learned to division of the polynomials in the first problem clearly. So now we have to do in the same way. In the second problem there are 3 bits. This is the first bit. So now we have to solve one by one. See here how can we do the division. So before going to do the division of the polynomials, we have to check whether the 2 polynomials are in their standard form or not. So this is the first polynomial. What is the standard form? The degrees of the terms in the polynomial should be in the decreasing order. So here the degree of this term is 2. Here the degree of this term is 0, 2, 0, as it is in the decreasing order. So this polynomial is in its standard form. So next second standard form. the degree of this first term 4, here it is 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, it is also in its standard form. So here t square minus 3 comma 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So these two are in its standard form. Now we can proceed to do the division. So you have to follow the steps. If you follow the steps, you can do very easily. So first you have to understand how I am doing the division. So see here, first we have to write the given two polynomials are in its standard form. So write the second polynomial as the dividend 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. It is as a dividend. So next here t square minus 3 is the divisor. T square minus 3 is the divisor. So now I have to follow the steps. So the first step is, so this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. So here the highest degree term is, now I am writing the steps here. So the highest degree term in the dividend is 2t to the power 4 divided by the highest degree term in the divisor is t square. So if you divide, you can get 2t square. 2t square. So t square we can get 2t. Write this 2t square in the quotient place. So here write 2t square. So in the second step, multiply the divisor with 2t square. That is 2t square into. So what is the divisor? T square minus 3. So multiply these two. So we get, see here, 2t square into t square, we can get 2t to the power 4, 2t square into minus 3, minus 6t square. So just we have to multiply. 2t square into t square is 2t to the power 4, 2t square into minus 3, minus 6t square. Now we have to write below the terms of the dividend, but the terms must be so like terms. So here 2t to the power 4, right below the t to the power 4 term, 2t to the power 4. So here 3t cube is there, but there is no t cube term here. So leave the space of a t cube term as blank. So next minus 6t square is there, here minus 2t square. Write minus 6t square below the t square term only. So this is very important step. If you remember this, you can, if you follow this step, you can do very easily. So if you write minus t square below the t cube term, you can get confused. So this is very, very important. You have to write the like terms. It will be very easy now subtraction. So see here, now how to subtract. So here it is plus 2 to the power 4, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So plus t to 2t to the power 4 minus 2t to the power 4 gets cancelled. 3t cube minus, here nothing is there, t cube, right? 3t cube as usual. So here minus 2t square plus 6t square, we can get 4t square plus 4t square plus 4t square. So next term minus 90 is there, take minus 90 to here. So now 3t cube plus 4t square minus 90. Again follow the same step. The highest degree term of the first dividend is 3t cube divided with t square. So now here the first term is 3t cube divided with first term of divisor, that is 3t cube divided by t square. So 3t cube divided by 3t square, we can get 3t. Write this 3t in the quotient area plus 3t. So in the next step, multiply the divisor with 3t. So here we get a 3t into t square minus 3. 3t into t square minus 3. So here 3t into t square, we can get a 3t cube. 3t into minus 3 we get minus 9t. So now we have to write 3t cube below the t cube term. So write 3t cube. So here there is no t square term, so leave t square term as blank here. So next minus 90 is there, so write minus 90. So now subtract these two. So here minus 3t cube, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. 3t cube minus 3t cube gets cancelled. Minus 90 plus 90 gets cancelled. Here only 4t square is there. 4t square. So next here minus 12 is there. Write minus 12. 4t square minus 12. So here there is no t term. So 4t square minus 12 is there. So now again we have to follow the same step. Divide 4t square by t square again. So now the first term is 4t square by t square. So we can get 4. So write this 4 in the quotient area. So write plus 4. Multiply the divisor with 4. So we get 4 into t square minus 3 is equal to 4 into t square minus 3 is equal to 4 into t square is 4t square. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So write here 4t square and minus 12. So you can write these two like this. So subtract here, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled, we can get a remainder 0. So since the remainder is 0, we can say the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So here therefore t square, well, so therefore we can write since the remainder is 0, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So this is the first bit in the second problem. So next we have to solve the second bit. So just you have to remember the steps, you have to follow the steps, you can do very easily. So now I have to solve the second bit. This is the second bit in the second problem. Again he has given two polynomials here. He is asking to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial with the first polynomial. So see here what he has given. First in the second bit, x square plus 3x plus 1 comma 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So now I have to check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial, we have to check. If we get the remainder 0, we can say that the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So see here, now we have to do the division. So before going to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So here power should be in the decreasing order, or the degree of the terms should be in the decreasing order. So here the power is 2, 1, 0. Yes, it is in its standard form. So here also the power of the variable is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, it is also in decreasing order. So the given two polynomials are in their standard form. So it is very important. If they are not in their standard form, first you have to write them in the standard form. So this is the very first step you have to remember before going to do the division of the polynomials. So now these two polynomials are in their standard form. Now we can do division. So first write the second polynomial as the dividend. So here the second polynomial is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So write it is as a dividend. So write the first polynomial as divisor, that is x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1, write it as divisor. So now the first step, this is the highest degree term of the dividend. So this is the highest degree term of the divisor. So divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. So that is we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. This is the first term. So 3x to the power 4 divided by, this is the first term, x square. We can get 3x to the power 4 divided by x square is equal to, we can get 3x square. 3x square. Write this 3x square in the quotient area. So write this 3x square. So in the second step, multiply the divisor with 3x square. Multiply the divisor with 3x square. That is, I am writing 3x square into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x square into x square, we get 3x to the power 4. So 3x square into 3x, we can get 9x cube. So 3x square into plus 1, we get plus 3x square, plus 3x square. So you have to write here. So first write the terms below the dividend terms as like terms. So here 3x to the power 4 is there. Write 3x to the power 4 below the x to the power 4 term. So write the x cube term below the x cube term. Here 9x cube is there. Write it is as below 5x cube. So here 3x square is there. Write it is as below the 7x square term. So plus 3x square it is, write 3x square. So now how to subtract. So here this plus becomes minus, it is also plus becomes minus, it is also plus becomes minus. So here 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4, these two gets cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube, we get minus 4x cube, minus 4x cube. So minus 7x square minus 3x square, we get minus 10x square, minus 10x square. So next take next term, it is plus 2x. So take 2x. So again this becomes a dividend now. Again the highest degree term is minus 4x cube. Again same step you have to follow. So divide minus 4x cube with x square again. So minus 4x cube divided by, in the next step we have to follow the third step is minus 4x cube divided by x square. Minus 4x cube divided by x square is equal to, we can get minus 4x. Minus 4x. So write this in the quotient area. Write this. In the next step, multiply the divisor with minus 4x. So I am multiplying here minus 4x into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to. So minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus 3x, it is minus 12x square. So minus 4x into plus 1 minus 4x. So write this below the terms of the dividend, minus 4x cube right here. So next minus 12x square is there. Write minus 12x square below the x square term. So next minus 4x is there. Write minus 4x below the x term. Again subtract. So it becomes plus, it becomes plus, it becomes plus. So minus 4x cube plus 4x cube gets cancelled. It is minus 10x square plus 12x square. We get 2x square. So here plus 2x plus 4x, it becomes plus 6x. So next to plus 2 is there. Take plus 2. Okay. So now 2x square plus 6x plus 2. This is the dividend. Again follow the same step. The highest degree term is 2x square. Divide 2x square by x square again. So next step we have to divide 2x square divided by x square. So we can get 2. X square cancelled. We can get 2. Write 2 in the quotient area. So now multiply the divisor with 2. That is 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1. So here 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 into 3x is 6x plus 2 into 1 is 2. So now here write here 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So now subtract, it becomes minus minus minus. So 2x square minus 2x square cancelled, 6x minus 6x cancelled, 2 minus 2 cancelled. We can get the remainder 0. So since the remainder 0, the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So like this we can say whether the first one is a factor of the second one by dividing. So if we get the remainder 0, we can say factor. If we don't get the remainder 0, simply we can say it is not a factor. So this is the second bit in the second problem. Next we have to solve the third bit. This is the third bit in the second problem. Again he has given two polynomials. He is asking check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here what he has given, see here, this is the first polynomial x cube minus 3x plus 1. So this is the second polynomial x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So now we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If we get the remainder 0, we can say the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. If we don't get the remainder 0, we can say that the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So now how to divide? So before going to do the division of the polynomials, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So the powers of the variable should be in the decreasing order. If they are in the decreasing order, we can say they are in the standard form. So here the power of the x is here 3, 1, 0. So 3, 1, 0. Yes, the powers are in decreasing order. So it is in its standard form. So here x to the power 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is also in its standard form. So the given two polynomials are in their standard form. So now we can proceed to do the division. So see here, first write the second polynomial as the dividend and the first polynomial as the divisor. So now we have to write the second polynomial as dividend. But here, see here, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube is there. There is no x to the power 4 term in the second polynomial. So this is the dividend. So dividend must have each and every term to do the division. So I am writing like this. See here, after x to the power 5, there is no x to the power 4 term, but I am writing as it is 0 into x to the power 4. This is very important, you have to remember. So for the dividend, after the highest degree term, each degree term must have, then only we can do the division very easily, otherwise you can get confused here. So x to the power 5 plus x, there is no x to the power 4 term here, but I am writing 0 into x to the power 4, then the value doesn't change here. So minus 4x cube, write as usual, minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So now next write that as a divisor, x cube minus 3x plus 1. But here also there is no x square term, but this is divisor. So we need not to write 0 into x square in the divisor. We must write in the dividend only. Okay. So write as usual, x cube minus 3x plus 1. X cube minus 3x plus 1. So now we have to follow the steps. The highest degree term in the dividend is x to the power 5. The highest degree term in the divisor is x cube. we have to divide x to the power 5 by x cube. That is the first step. So I am dividing. See here, x to the power 5 divided by x cube. So we get x square. X to the power 5 divided by x cube is x square. Write x square in the quotient area. Write x square in the quotient area. So next, in the second step, multiply the divisor with x square. So multiply the divisor with x square, that is x square into divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. X cube minus 3x plus 1. That is x square into x cube, x to the power 5. X square into minus 3x minus 3x cube plus x square into 1 is x square. X square into 1 is x square. So now write this x to the power 5. Write x to the power 5. So here there is no x to the power 4 term. So leave this x to the power 4 term as blank. So here minus 3x cube is there. So write x cube below the x cube term minus 3x cube plus x square is there. Right here plus x square. So now subtract. So upon subtract and plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 gets cancelled. Here 0 into x to the power 4 we need not to write. So minus 4x cube plus 3x cube we can get minus x cube. Minus x cube. So plus x square minus x square, it gets cancelled. So next plus 3x plus 1 is there. Plus 3x plus 1. So right, I am writing plus 3x plus 1. So now divide the x cube term with x cube. This is here the highest degree term is minus x cube divided by x cube. So third one, minus x cube divided by x cube is equal to. So minus x cube by x cube is equal to minus 1 we get. Write this minus 1 in the quotient area. So next, in this next step, multiply the divisor with minus 1. That is minus 1 into x cube minus 3x plus 1. So we get minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube. Minus 1 into minus 3x is plus 3x. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. So right here we have minus x cube, but here plus 3x. So here minus 1 is there. Now how to subtract? It becomes plus, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So minus x cube plus x cube gets cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. But here 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have remainder is 2. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So therefore, see here how can we write? I am writing here. Therefore, since the remainder is not equal to 0, x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So here the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So this is the third bit in the second problem. Totally there are 3 bits. We have completed all the 3 bits. So just you have to follow the steps, you can do very easily. So now this is the second problem. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with the third problem. Thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from Polynomials exercise 3.4. Third problem, very important problem. So many times he asked in the examination for 4 marks. Very important. Just you have to follow the steps. It is also related to the division of polynomials. So these type of problems are very important. Just you have to concentrate here. How can we solve this problem? So see here, just you have to follow the steps. So see here what he is asking to find us. So very important problem for 4 marks. So obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are square root 5 by 3 and minus square root 5 by 3. So here he has given a polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So two of this polynomial, two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So he is asking to find us the remaining zeros. So first, what is the degree of the given polynomial? So the degree of the given polynomial is 4. So at most how many zeros the given polynomial has? So it has at most 4 zeros. If the degree is 4, it has 4 zeros. If the degree is 3, it has at most 3 zeros. Here, since the degree of the given polynomial is 4, it has at most 4 zeros. But among the 4, he has given only 2. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find. See here, how can we find the remaining 2 zeros? So see here, I am writing like this. Since square root 5 by 3 x minus 5. So since square root 5 by 3 and minus square root 5 by 3 are the two zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, x minus root 5 by 3, x minus square root 5 by 3 and so x minus square root 5 by 3 and x plus square root 5 by 3 become factors of given polynomial. Therefore, x minus square root 5 by 3 into x plus square root 5 by 3 is equal to, so it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a square is equal to x square minus b square is equal to square root 5 by 3 whole square. Square root 5 by 3 whole square. So see here, now write x square minus root to square gets cancelled, it becomes x square minus 5 by 3. So by finding LCM we can get a 3x square minus 5 divided by 3. So it can be written as 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5. 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5. So now we have to divide the given polynomial by 3x square minus 5. So see here, so now dividing 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by 3x square minus 5. So now we have to divide this polynomial by 3x square minus 5. So before going to divide the polynomial, we have to check whether it is in its standard form or not. So here a power of x is 4, here it is 3, 2, 1, 0. So the powers of variables are in decreasing order. So it is in its standard form. So now we can divide. So write this as a dividend, that is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. We have to divide by 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. So we have to follow the steps. So the highest degree term of the dividend is 3x to the power 4. The highest degree term of the divisor is 3x square. So now we have to divide 3x to the power 4 with 3x square. So we have to, I am writing the steps here. First one, 3x to the power 4 divided by 3x square, we can get x square. So 3 gets cancelled, x to the power 4 by x square is equal to x square. Write this x square in the quotient area. So write x square. So in the second step, multiply the divisor with x square. that is x square into 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5. So that is x square into 3x square, 3x to the power 4, x square into minus 5, minus 5x square. So now I have to write these two. So here x to the power 4, 3x to the power 4 is there. So here 6x cube is there, but here there is no x cube term. So leave the space below the space of x cube term, leave as blank. So write this minus 5x square below the term of x square. So here minus 5x square we have to write here. So this you have to remember, it is very important. If you write here you can get confused while subtracting. So this is very important. We have to write like terms together for subtracting. So here upon subtraction it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4 gets cancelled. So write a 6x cube here, 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square, we can get a plus 3x square. So next write minus 10x here, minus 10x. So write this minus 10x. So now 6x cube plus 3x square minus 10x. So again this becomes the dividend. So the highest degree term is 6x cube. Again now we have to divide this 6x cube by 3x square. So next step we have to divide this 6x cube. 6x cube divided by 3x square. So divide 3x square. We can get 2x. So 3 ones and 3 twos. So x cube by x square is x. So we can get 2x. Write this 2x in the quotient area. So write here 2x. So next multiply the divisor with 2x. So I am multiplying, see here 2x into 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5 multiply 2x into 3x square 6x cube. So 2x into minus 5 is equal to minus 10x. 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x. So here write 6x cube, leave this space for x square, there is no x square term here. Write minus 10x below the x term of dividend. So now subtract, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. 6x cube minus 6x cube gets cancelled. So write this 3x square as usual, and minus 10x plus 10x gets cancelled. So here minus 5, write minus 5 as usual. So here it is 3x square minus 5. So since there is no x term here, there is some gap between these two. So 3x square minus 5. So again this becomes dividend. So divide 3x square by 3x square, we can get 1. So here directly see here 3x square divided by 3x square is equal to 1. Write this one. So now we have to divide 3x square minus 5 with 1. We can get 3x square minus 5 only. So I am writing 3x square minus 5 directly. So by subtraction it becomes minus, it becomes plus. Plus 3x square minus 3x square gets cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. So here the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 0. So now x square plus 2x plus 1, we have the quotient. So see here now we have to find the factors of x square plus 2x plus 1. So the factors becomes the zeros of x square plus 2x plus 1. See here how can we do. So here 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the quotient. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here since remainder is 0, we need not to write. So this is dividend is equal to, this is the divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0. So this is the quotient x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we have to split by, now we have to find the factors by splitting the middle terms. So see here it is nothing but x plus 1, x plus 1. So see here x square, write this 2x as x plus 1. So here x is common, x plus 1, here plus 1 is common, x plus 1. So finally we can get x plus 1 is common, so x plus 1 into x plus 1. So therefore x is equal to, so let it is equal to 0 first. So it is equal to 0, it is equal to 0, it is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to, here x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, comma here also x equal to minus 1. Therefore we can write remaining zeros equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So since the degree of the given polynomial is 4, it has at most 4 zeros. 2 zeros are square root 5 by 3 and minus square root 5 by 3, and the other 2 zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. So like this we can find the remaining zeros. Very important problem, just you have to practice and follow the steps, you can do very easily. That's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with the fourth problem. So thanks for watching. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from Polynomials exercise 3.4, fourth problem. So see, here it is about division of polynomials. This fourth exercise 3.4 exercise totally depends on the division of polynomials. See here what he has given. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So if x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is divided by g of x, then we get the quotient and remainder. Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So let the given polynomial, let it is as p of x. So we have, according to division algorithm of polynomials, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So here p of x is dividend, g of x is divisor, q of x is quotient, r of x is remainder. So here we have to find g of x, divisor we have to find. So see here, let p of x is equal to, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So here we have to find g of x, quotient let it is q of x is equal to x minus 2 and remainder, so let it is r of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Therefore according to division algorithm for polynomials, we have p of x is equal to z of x into q of x, g of x into q of x plus r of x. So now we have p of x, q of x and r of x. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. G of x we have to find, q of x is equal to x minus 2 and r of x is equal to 2x plus 4. So just by simplifying, by substituting here we get, so p of x is equal to what is there here, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So this is p of x is equal to g of x we have to find into q of x is equal to what is there here, x minus 2. Q of x is equal to x minus 2 plus r of x is equal to how much, minus 2x plus 4. So now by simplifying, see here, take this total term to the left side here already, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So take this total term to the left side here, minus 2x becomes plus 2x plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So take this total term to the left side here, minus 2x becomes plus 2x plus 4 becomes minus 4. So now we have to simplify. So here plus x plus 2x, these two are the like terms, and plus 2 minus 4, these two are the like terms. Just we have to simplify here. What we get, see here, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x, we get plus 3x plus 2 minus 4, we can get minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So now we have to find the g of x. So for that, take x minus 2 to the left side, here it is multiplying, it divides. So what we get, g of x is equal to, see here, therefore g of x is equal to, so what is there left side, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2. So if you take x minus 2 to the left side, it divides, divided by x minus 2, divided by x minus 2. So now by dividing x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 with x minus 2, we can get g of x. So now we have to divide it. So see here, we have to divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. See, it is as dividend x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So right here, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and write x minus 2 as the divisor. So now I have to divide. So before that, I have to check whether these two are in its standard form or not. So for that, the powers should be in the decreasing order. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, it is in its standard form. Here 1, 0. It is also in its standard form. Now we can do division. So the highest degree term of the dividend is x cube, and the highest degree term of the divisor is x. Now we have to divide x cube by x. So that is the first step. So I am writing here x cube divided by x. So if you divide x cube by x, we can get x square. So write this x square in the quotient area. So write x square here. So now multiply this x square with the divisor. So that is x square into x minus 2. So x square into x minus 2, what we get, see here, x square into x is x cube, and x square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. So now write here, write x cube below the x cube term, and minus 2x square right below the x square term, minus 2x square. So now subtract. So it becomes minus, it becomes plus. Plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. Here minus 3x square plus 2x square, we get minus x square, minus x square. So take plus 3x here, plus 3x. So now again the highest degree term is minus x square, divide with x. So this is the third step, minus x square divided by x, we get minus x. So minus x square divided by x, we get minus x. So write this minus x in the quotient area. So in the next step, multiply the divisor with minus x, that is minus x into x minus 2, minus x into x minus 2, minus x into x, minus x square. So minus x into minus 2 plus 2x, plus 2x. So write this here, write minus x square below the x square term, and write plus 2x below the 3x term. So now subtract these two, it becomes plus, it becomes minus, minus x square plus x square gets cancelled. So now it is 3x minus 2x, we can get x. So there is minus 2 here, take minus 2. So here again the highest degree term here only x. If you divide x by x, we can get 1. X divided by x, we can get 1. So write 1 in the quotient area. So if you multiply 1 with the divisor, we can get x minus 2. So directly I am writing x minus 2. Now subtract, we can get it is minus, it is plus. Plus x minus x gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We can get a 0 as a remainder. So now this quotient x square minus x plus 1 is g of x. It is nothing but what it is, g of x. Therefore we have g of x is equal to, therefore g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So this is g of x. So he is asking to find as g of x. He has given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So if we divide x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by x square minus x plus 1, we can get x minus 2 as quotient, minus 2x plus 4 as remainder. So like this we can find. So just you have to remember the division algorithm for polynomials. So that is p of x is equal to q of x, g of x into q of x plus r of x. It is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that you have to remember very easily, you can do it. So this is the fourth problem in 3.4 exercise. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching. So this is fifth problem in the 3.4 exercise. See here, give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm, and this is the first bit, degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. So he is asking to write the examples for the polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x by satisfying the division algorithm and the degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. So this is the first bit. So what is the division algorithm of polynomials? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That is the division algorithm. So see here, degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. P of x is the dividend, q of x is the quotient. So here this is an example for p of x. P of x is of x equal to 2x square plus 10x plus 12. If you divide this p of x by 2, you can get a quotient as x square plus 5x plus 6 and a remainder is 0. So these are the examples for degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. So here degree of p of x is 2. Degree of q of x is also 2. So it is possible only if we divide with the constant. So and the remainder is 0. So next we have p of x is equal to, that is 2x square plus 10x plus 12 is equal to g of x into q of x, that is 2 into x square plus 5x plus 6 plus r of x. R of x is 0. So we can get again p of x. So it is satisfying both the conditions, division algorithm and the degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. So these are the examples. So you can take any examples by satisfying these two conditions. So this is the first bit in the fifth problem. We have two more bits you have to do as homework. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class. We have completed all the 5 problems in the exercise 3.4. So thanks for watching.